Are you a parent who loves to travel but find it challenging to keep your baby comfortable while on the go? Look no further. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 portable cribs that are perfect for traveling with your baby. These cribs are lightweight, easy to assemble, and offer a cozy and safe environment for your little one. So let's dive in and explore the best options out there. Our first pick is the Lotus Travel Crib. This compact crib unfolds quickly and comes with a comfortable mattress to ensure a good night's sleep for your baby. It's lightweight, packs into a convenient backpack, and meets all safety standards. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a longer trip, the Lotus Travel Crib is a fantastic option. Next up, we have the BabyBjorn Travel Crib. This crib sets up in seconds, thanks to its innovative design. It's made with breathable fabric, ensuring proper airflow for your baby's comfort. The compact and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and store. With the BabyBjorn Travel Crib, your baby will always have a cozy and secure sleeping space. If you're looking for a versatile travel crib, the Guava family Lotus Everywhere Travel Crib is an excellent choice. It comes with a zippered side door, allowing easy access to your baby. The mattress is soft and comfortable, ensuring your little one sleeps soundly. The crib is lightweight and folds down compactly, making it a breeze to carry anywhere. Our next pick is the Graco Pack Portable Playard. This crib is not only a comfortable sleeping space for your baby but also doubles as a playpen. It comes with a cozy mattress, easy-to-clean fabric, and a convenient carrying bag. The foldable design allows you to set it up or take it down in no time, perfect for your travel adventures. Last but not least, we have the MiClassic All Mesh 2-in-1 Stationary and Rock Bassinet. This travel crib offers both a stationary and rocking mode for your baby's preference. The breathable mesh fabric provides optimal ventilation, and the 1-second fold design allows for quick and easy setup. The crib is lightweight and comes with a carry bag, making it ideal for your family trips. There you have it, the top 5 portable cribs for traveling with your baby. Whether you're going on a short trip or planning a long vacation, these cribs will provide your little one with a safe and comfortable sleeping space. Choose the one that suits your needs and enjoy stress-free travel with your baby.